Alrighty, welcome to round two, kiddos. I hope you all enjoyed the first video. I have no idea if you did or didn't, because it's currently 2 seconds after the first recording. Anyway, let's not mouse. I see you. You get off the screen. Without further ado, let's get into round two of getting creamed into the ground by absolute randoms. Alright, let's play as Isaac again. If I die this round, I might play as someone else. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, let's see what happens. I can tell you right now, turn it down. Yep, turn the volume down a bit. Everyone laugh at Mac again. Fuck it, we'll use the key. Ooh, almost got me. God, smart fly is useful. Oh, would you look at that? What's in here? It's probably going to be nothing now. Oh, that's actually quite useful. Would you look at that? Swan friend. Absolutely, he's actually quite useful. Now let's get this boss fight over with. It's Gemini. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Cream him. Go for the baby. Kill the young one. Infants first. Oh. It's the face I make when I don't have enough good boy points for tendies. Anyway, let's all stats up. That's useful as well. Ooh, Facebook message. Look at me. I'm Mr. Popular. Fucking, I didn't change that problem between the review and this. I will absolutely be turning the notifications off. Oh, actually, technology 2? Yeah, I can roll with that. That's alright. This is actually not a bad run so far. It's like we had 2 crappy ones in the first episode, and everything slowly got better. Well, slowly got better at a rate of knots. Nothing. Coin, sure, why not? Yep. Sweet. What's that? A little charge. I don't really need that at the moment. I would like a key. That I think. Do you drop a key? You do. Just knew what I needed. Just die. Yep. I don't need a heart. Sweet. Yep. Don't kill me. What are you? Pill, please be good. Puberty, literally useless. Oh, just look how easy his health bar is going down. Isn't that beautiful? Loving his jumps today. Sweet. 8-ball, shot speed up. Sweet. Double active, which I have no idea what that does. I'm not going to use any of those at the moment. I should also turn the extended HUD on. I'll do that for the next episode as well. Oh yeah, I'll leave it on. I'll put it on for the next episode if you guys like it. I'll keep it on if you guys want it changed. Just tell me so, and I will get it out of there quick smart. Die. Sweet. Oh, this is actually a good run. Beautiful. Death. Alright. Let's. I didn't have a key. Sweet. Oh, this is just so easy. Now that everything's... do I... No, if I had a bomb, I might be able to get it over. So, wheat... Oh, yeah, no, that's easy. That's fine. I'm pretty sure those are, like, meant for Azazel, I think his name is, because he can fly straight off the bat. Or unless you're lucky enough to get an item that causes flying at this point. But I highly doubt that. Because if you got luck like me, you'll be pretty much doomed to a life of mediocrity. Which is reflected in my actual real life. Fuck my life. Oh, yeah, no, this is great. Smart Fly is really helping as well. Death, death, death. None of that. Sweet. What's this? HP tears up, shot speed down. Oh, that's cool. More HP. Ideally, I like to be around 4 minimum. I don't know. I see people online when they play, they prefer like, soul hearts or something of that sort. Temporary psychic shot. That should be useful. Yeah, they prefer, soul hearts or like black hearts. I don't know what they're called, if they're called black hearts at all. But yeah, no, I much prefer just red hearts. There's something reassuring about, being able to not lose the heart for good once it's depleted. I mean, that might be just me. Maybe I'm the only person who plays this game that isn't a sadist. But, who fucking knows? Alright. Oh, these. Okay, I am actually going to sneeze. This episode, the sneeze might happen. Oh, nope, it's gone again. This whole series is just going to be hunt for the missing sneeze. Come on. Poke your disgusting neck out. There we go. Gotcha. So yes, the day the sneeze happens, I will be very excited. Jesus, that like static hit pretty much every enemy. Sweet. Should be the only one that is left. Yeah, alright. So I'm not sure. I'm going to try in the next room the question mark card. Oh, so it pretty much just uses your active slot. Sweet. This is actually kind of useful. I might actually keep this active item. Yeah. Alright. We should be getting to the boss soon. I'm just going to sit there and fucking wing shots at these guys. I find that a lot of the enemies that were added in Afterbirth and Afterbirth Plus, because I did play Rebirth when it came out, I think once, probably for about half an hour. I think all the enemies that were added in the new DLCs are just absolute damage sponges. They can just take hit after hit, and it's like exclusively the enemies that were put in the DLC. I don't know if that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure you guys would do it anyway, even if I didn't say it was okay. So I'm going to give you permission so I feel less bad about it. Gotti. Alright. Midnight Snack, more HP, I'm assuming. Yep. Sweet. We need a key on the next floor. Why were you not taking damage? Half a heart. Sweet. Ah. It's pretty interesting what these motherfuckers have in their basement. I mean, in Australia, we don't even have basements, I don't think. I've never been in a house with a basement. So it's pretty interesting to see. I mean, I don't know, some of you guys will have to like answer for me. Is this like normal for a basement? Like, is this good? Is this, Is this average? Is this kind of, like, oh, might have to do something here? Or is this like, I don't know. I've never experienced a basement before. Also never experienced an attic. We just don't have those either. How weird our differences are, isn't it just so strange? Well, we got our keys. That's a mega bonus. No, here's where actually just rely on the static till they get in range. Oh, please don't give the hiccups now. This is the last thing I need. Actually, like legitimately about to get the hiccups. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. This is actually I'm not doing too bad this run. Sweet. Die. Death. Actually have enough to do this. Let's see what's inside here. Wait, that was really dumb. Oh, God. Incentive to not be shit. Hooray. Instantly about to die, I can feel it. No, we did it. We survived. Okay, well. Oh, perfect. Oh, yep, there we go. Pissed in the wind. Just gone. God, like a bad fart in a fucking wind tunnel. Here we go. Black hole. I might keep black hole. I believe you can. It's like a thrown item and it does damage and sucks everything in. I'll save it to the boss. I don't know if it does anything to bosses. Knowing my luck, it's a waste of time in a boss, but worth a geese. Fetal protection. Sure. Let's protect our fetus. Or is the fetus protecting us? Just another one of the world's many unsolved mysteries. Oh no, it sucks him in and damages him. That was actually quite helpful. Oh, bomb flies. Not what you want. Still. Oh, sweet. Dead. Mum's lipstick. Range up. What's in here? Nothing really I want. Got some blue spoders. Sweet as a beet. And we're at the final room, I think, because I've started a new game. I believe, because it's my first time fighting Mum, which I'm not sure if I even will beat her. That's the problem. Because it's my first time fighting her, I'm not 100% sure if the game continues after that. I think it ends this time. Justice. Oh, just a shitload of free shit. Sweet. No. Ooh. Oh, actually, I could have just walked through. God damn it. Another bomb. Another key. Cool. I don't know what this does. Maybe pure in heart. I do not want that. Oh, no, don't need that. I would rather not, guys. Oh, yay. This is what I needed, a champion Gertie. Great. Actually, that went by easier than stop. Stop! Oh, I should just shut my mouth. I make it worse. Make it much, much worse every time I speak. Stop. Yeah, no, we're all good. I swear on my mum. Sweet. Okay, let's see what we get. 10 bombs. Yay. Okay, well, that is just brilliant. Oh, that's even better. No, that's what I wanted. Thank you for exploding like that. Infested, that should be, yes. Bugs. I believe that's evil up. I have a low-key hate for these, like, larger rooms, like the 4 times the size rooms, purely because the amount of shit you can fit in these rooms is heinous. And having to fight as many of these dick noses as you have to becomes a bit of a problemo. Alright, let's go up here. Wasn't I just in a room exactly like this? Okay, actually, let's go in here, see what he has. Let's pick this up. Lock up. And let's, because I feel like once we fight Mum, we're pretty much going to be ending this run, because I'm not 100% sure. Knowing my luck now, I'll be wrong. But I believe the first run ends once you kill Mum. More puberty. Yay. Should have probably thrown it to, like, a spot where she was standing. It seems to be going... Oh, never mind. I was going to say, it's, like, actually going half okay, but I get the feeling I'm not going to make this. Come on, I've tried so hard and come so far. I've come so hard. Oh, wait. Just keep moving. No. Motherfuck. God damn. Oh. Wow. Isn't just... Oh, wow. I'm not happy. I'm not a very happy man right now. I'm actually, what you could say is a bit upset. Bit angry. But unfortunately, we're going to have to keep trying. So, I'll leave this episode here. We had one really good run, all the way up until the end, where my ineptitude caused my inevitable demise. So, yeah. Thank you for watching the second episode. Again, if there's anything like you'd like to see done, or got any tips, tricks for me, just leave a comment. I'll make sure to read them. I absolutely love getting comments. I love reading them. So, don't forget to, like, subscribe if you already haven't, and leave a comment, even if it's just telling me how your day was. I just love reading the comments, and I'll see you next week with another episode. Take care, ladies and gents, kids and teens. Have a lovely day.